Final is clear. Right side clear, continue.
Blanca Charlie Lima, east to 548 south at 1800 feet. Request descent and join the traffic circuit for a couple of touch and goes.
Yankee Charlie Lima, you may descend and proceed to join circuit pattern on long final, or running to. For the moment there is one traffic on final for touch and go.
Descend and joining long final for 22, Yankee Charlie Lima.
Holding point 22. Parking brake is set. Before takeoff checklist, fuel pump is on. Master switch is on. Ignition switch is on both. Landing light comes on. Taxi light goes off. Transponder. Oh Charlie, it is on Charlie. Flaps takeoff. I'm gonna do another flap check. Landing. Back on takeoff, they are working. Carburetor heat is off. Top speed control level, max RPM. Oscar Echo Charlie Whiskey Mike ready for departure.
Oscar Whiskey Mike, enter, line up and take off. Expedite as possible, one traffic code, T4 south on long final. Wind is 18012.
Enter, line up and take off. Oscar Whiskey Mike, we're expediting.
Nu prea tare că nu e așa grabă, dar ți-am zis doar că fapt.
Mulțumesc. Taking off. Oscar Charlie Whiskey Mike. Oscar Echo Charlie Whiskey Mike.
Take off.
Airspeed alive. Engine all green. 51. Take off.
Copy that, Lima, Touch&Go, 18013 knots.
Climbing with 65. Stay on the heading. .400. Flaps up. Flaps coming up. Continue climb. Max continuous RPM. Set.
Copy that, we have traffic inside. Negative. Then extend, look for traffic. If not, if you not see it, wait for my call to turn on base.
On 200 to go. Leveling off. Speed increase.
Traffic Kilo, we have traffic in sight, will extend just a little bit more.
And curb hit on.
At your discretion.
Turning downwind.
Charlie Kilo, lost contact with the traffic. Top 20.
Low 2 miles.
No, factory is almost, is on short final actually.
Low 2 miles.
To the tower, kilometer Charlie Alpha, hello again.
2 miles.
Yankee Charlie Alpha, Tulsa, hello again.
Traffic recall.
Naparuto siya, only in Osutin, initial approach for full stop to 2.
Copy up. Initial approach for full stop landing. 3 aircraft in circuit pattern, one on very short final, one on final, and one is about to turning on base. Proceed to F4E south and let me know when you're there to give you permission to descend and join you on final.
Copy, do maintain for now 1700 to F4E south, and then I will let you know. Thank you, thank you, Charlie.
To South Carolina, Charlie Whiskey Mike, setting base. Runway 22, Touch&Go.
Base for Touch&Go number 2, after traffic on final 17012.
Number 2 after traffic on final, South Carolina, Charlie Whiskey Mike.
Yankee Charlie Alpha, F4E assert 1500.
Yankee Charlie Alpha, you may start descend and proceed for long final. One traffic is now on short final and one traffic behind him on final. You will be number 3.
Number 3, joining long final for full stop.
To South Carolina, Charlie Whiskey Mike, on final runway 22, Touch&Go.
Copy that, Touch&Go. Traffic in front of you is already on upwind. This was 701 to know.
I have the traffic inside South Carolina, Charlie Whiskey Mike.
Traffic.
Yankee Charlie Alpha,
Yankee Charlie Alpha, go ahead.
Advise when you are at the Fourier South on long final engaged.
Copy, Future Delta.
Carpet off.
Yankee Charlie Lima.
Go ahead, Yankee Charlie Lima.
Expect to extend downwind one traffic approaching a Fourier South. He will engage on the long final.
Extending Charlie Lima.
Future Delta Fourier South 1200.
Copy that. One traffic on short final will be number 2, 17012 to know.
Number 20, Future Delta.
Takeoff power set, engine all green. Taking off. 65. First landing. .400 flap up. Flap coming up.
Yankee Charlie Lima, please advise when we can turn base.
Yes sir, extend no more than 5 seconds and then you may start on base lane.
After 5 seconds, turning base, Yankee Charlie Lima.
And also keep in mind the traffic which is on final now in front of you is coming with full stop.
Okay, Yankee Charlie Lima.
Yankee Charlie Kilo to plus.
Yankee Charlie Alpha on long final for full stop.
Copy, full stop. Break, Yankee Charlie Kilo to plus.
Yankee Kilo.
Extend downwind 2, I have one traffic in front of you, turning now on extended base. Keep on the downwind.
Level up.
Kilo inside extended.
Speed increase.
Copy, Lima.
Orbit is on. Keep turning towards the downwind. Fuel pump is still on, landing lines are on, we're keeping them on.
Oscar Whiskey Mike.
To Oscar Whiskey Mike, go ahead.
I need you also to extend downwind one traffic on short final with full stop, one traffic on final and one traffic on long final at the Fourier South.
Extending downwind, please advise when to turn base.
Yes, sir.
Main altitude 2 miles.
Lima, pe unde ești? Trasă mai mult.
Main
Exact
altitude
deasupra
2
lacului,
miles.
pe
Traffic
finală.
main
Ok.
altitude 2 miles.
Have one traffic there, we also have it at the ADSB. We'll be configuring straight on the final. And another traffic.
Oscar Whiskey Mike, may turn on base, number 3.
Turning base Oscar Whiskey Mike, and I have 2 traffic inside and on ADSB.
Copy that. That's the traffic one on final, one behind him also on final. Wind is 170, 1 power loss.
Copy.
Yankee Charlie Alpha, when we vacated.
Yankee Charlie Alpha taxi via Alpha Charlie and Echo to stand number 3.
Stand number 3, Yankee Charlie Alpha.
Ground speed of 60 knots. Awesome. Let's turn final. Oscar Echo Charlie Whiskey Mike on very long final, runway 22, touch and go.
Copy that. Still number 3 traffic on very short final, traffic behind him on final. Conditions maintained.
Copy Oscar Echo Charlie Whiskey Mike. I have to reduce a bit. Orbit is still on. Reducing speed, speed check. Flaps takeoff. RPM full forward. Ground speed 50 knots. Three white, 1 red. It's coming back to me. There, 2 white, 2 red.
Yankee Charlie Alpha, shutdown switch off. You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Traffic. 500.
No factor. Let me go a bit below the slope. I want 1 white and 3 red. There we go. Carb hit off. Very bumpy today. Take off.
Yankee Charlie Lima on downwind for final 22.
Yankee Charlie Lima, you may turn on base for touch and go. Wind is 17012 knots.
400 flaps up. Max continuous RPM.
Wait for the touching.
Hold 65. Questa non fosse buona. That was not a good landing. 400 flaps up. They are coming up.
Traffic.
Orbit off.
Traffic. Traffic.
A bit better. Takeoff power set 51 rotate.
Traffic.
$400 flaps up. Continuous RPM.
Lima base for touch and go number cross the traffic on shot final. Wind is 1701 power knots.
Traffic. 3 pump. Low. 1 mile. Obstacle. Full up. Traffic. 4 o'clock. Low. Less than 1 mile.
I have the traffic inside. Step base. To South Carico Charlie Whiskey Mike with traffic inside turning base.
Copy that. You may turn on base 17015 knots.
7 kilo extended base final.
Say again, kilo.
Extended base final, Yankee Charlie Kilo.
Da, nu prea sunt familiarizat cu termenul ăsta, ce înseamnă extended base to final, dar dacă zici tu.
Base nu mai activ.
Ok, te văd deja pe finală.
Let's turn final. I think this is going to be a full stop. Tuzla, Oscar Echo Charlie Whiskey Mike, turning long, very long final. I have the traffic inside, runway 22, full stop for Whiskey Mike.
Copy that, Whiskey Mike. Full stop landing number 2 of the traffic, 180150.
Number 2 after traffic, Oscar Echo Charlie Whiskey Mike.
India Whiskey Shutdown, Sicho. Yes.
Kilo, it will be full stop for us.
Copy that, Kilo.
Speed check. Flaps are just a bit high, but it's high. White to red.
Tuzla Tower, Yankee Romeo Sierra Charlie, India. This morning, crew Anna and Uday at stand 03, ready for startup.
Yankee Charlie India, Tuzla, good morning. You may start up, QNH is 1012, runway news 22.
Clear to startup, runway 22 and QNH 1012. Yankee Charlie Kilo, runway vacation.
Yankee Charlie Kilo, taxi, Alpha Charlie Echo, stand 5.
Alpha Charlie Echo, stand 5, Yankee Charlie Kilo.
And to all other stations, new QNH is 101.
Flaps, landing light, fuel pump. Tuzla, Oscar Echo Charlie Whiskey Mike. Short final, runway 22, full stop.
Copy, full stop, run is clear, same conditions.
Tuzla, Yankee Charlie Lima, request for base for the full stop.
Yankee Charlie Lima, base for full stop landing number 2 of the traffic on short final. Wind is 17015 knots.
Number 2, Yankee Charlie Lima.
Let's say that it was decent with the wind. Tuzla, Oscar Echo Charlie Whiskey Mike, runway vacated.
Whiskey Mike taxi, Alpha Charlie Echo, stand 6.
Alpha Charlie Echo 2, stand 6, Oscar Echo Charlie Whiskey Mike. Landing light off, fuel pump off, flaps up, carpet we forgot, no problem. Ending at minute 5-6.
Yankee Charlie Kilo, shutdown switch off pozitivă.
Shutdown switch off, kilo, mersi, la fel.
Right side, left side,
Yankee
clear.
Charlie Alpha, ready to taxi.
Yankee Charlie Alpha, taxi to holding point Echo Taxiway. After the other Katana pass is from opposite on Echo, you may resume to stand 1-3 for engine run up.
Clear to, ready to taxi and ready for the engine run up at stand 3. Clear to taxi to stand 1-3, Yankee Charlie Alpha.
Am băgat în ceață, Mărie, este.
Hai, că l-avem pe celălalt din site și mergem la 1-3.
Da, e ok. Vezi că holding point Echo este un holding point acolo între poziția 7 și 8. E o dungă întreruptă așa, pe viitor. E bine de știut.
Ok.
Toți la confirm. Parking position 6 for Oscar Echo Charlie Whiskey Mike.
Afirmativ.
Toți la Yankee Charlie Lima, runway vacate.
Yankee Charlie Lima. Taxi Alpha Charlie Echo to stand number 3.
Alpha Charlie Echo,